Simply Napri. Today I'm back with my daughter,
Samaya.
Today we're doing a Popeyes chicken mukbang. We have wings. I think we got about 20 wings. Then we have some Cajun fries back here as well. We're super hungry. So we're going to go ahead and get right to it. So let's go ahead and dig in. So today is Samaya's second day of school. I didn't Marcated to do it with us, but he didn't want to do it today, so it's just us.
It's just us.
Got me some honey and some hot sauce on that. So we got half spicy and half mild.
I don't use any sauce, guys. I'm gonna try a little bit of hot sauce and honey.
Have you ever had it with the hot sauce and honey?
No.
That's she's plain Jane. She don't really put sauce on or nothing on none of her chicken.
No meat in general. This is like deli meat.
I haven't had Popeyes in a minute.
It's been a while.
I know. Yeah, it's really been a while.
Doesn't Lee's give honey too?
You can get honey at all of them. All of the chicken places. Well, all of those major ones.
Honey and chicken.
Well, spread hot sauce. You're killing your white shirt.
I'm not a big fan.
Too much flavor for you. So good. So how you adjusting to being back to school?
I feel like it's the same, just different teachers in different classes. I feel the same.
Yeah. That's understandable. So you got all your same friends still go there?
No. I'm missing one.
So just one of your friends?
Yeah.
Went to a different school? I see. So you like most of your teachers so far? Except for one that you then came home and complained about yesterday and today? I'll put this box down.
But
And this one.
this is just gonna be like that.
Oops, sorry. Try to move this out the way a little bit. You can see the food. I'm gonna eat a mild one. I think I only ate
How do
spicy.
you know?
The lighter color ones are the mild. I put the mild on this side and the hot on this. The spicy on this side.
Try
The spicy are a little darker in color.
Ooh, these are big. Look at that. It's just the top part.
Eat a mild one. The spicy not really that spicy to me, but I do feel like they have a little like slightly different flavors, the mild and the spicy, so I like both.
The spicy ones are crispier.
Yeah, I think so too. Yep. Back to school. Y'all had homework the first day. Which class was that gave y'all homework the first day?
I think science.
Did you finish it?
Yep.
Chicken is so good. So good. On point. Now the fries did get a little cold, but luckily their fries are seasoned, so they're still good. Not as crispy as they were when I first got them, but Popeyes is not that close to my house. And I had a couple stops to make. Had to go pick up the kids and all that stuff, so got a little cold in the process. But nonetheless, it's still good. Oh, I still got a piece.
For you guys again, now I'm in 7th grade.
Big 7th grader. She's an experienced middle schooler now. When we finished her braids, she got them pulled back right now. Her and 30-something people at school decided they were going to dress alike today. So this look she got going today is from basically a whole group of 30-something kids at her school. Were they all girls?
Yep. And group chat.
Yeah, they put a group chat together and decided to all dress alike. So what was it? Forces, white shirts, and bandanas, and jeans.
Not bandanas, we just wore them.
Oh, some of y'all
people
just wore
just
bandanas.
wore 'em. It wasn't planned.
Let me see. I need one more piece. This is just a quick video today.
I'm gonna eat one more after this.
We got left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I think we ate 12 wings.
Yep. Duder had some too.
Yeah.
He took a couple before we started. Soft fries. Still good though, like I said. But they're soft. I know I could have got the big hot sauce, but they're in the bag, so I might as well use what they gave me.
This is my last one.
Might as well use the ones they gave me. I remember when I was in middle school, when me and my friends used to want to dress alike. We did some stuff similar to that in high school, but we didn't really like dress alike 100 like exactly. We might have a theme for the day, like we might all want to wear half shirts and with a jacket, or we have a dress up day. I know we had one of those before. We just had a dress up day where we all decided we want to dress up. Not like dresses, but just like, you know, a dressy, like casual, you know, like business casual type dress. But yeah, so we did that once when we was in high school.
Like match colors or anything?
No, we didn't match colors. No, we just all basically dressed up. You know, put on like a dressy top. You know, some cute jeans if we wanted to. Maybe throw on a little heel. Stuff like that. And we all took a picture that day too. I was actually pregnant with you when I did that.
What?
Yeah, you was in my belly. They all took a picture. All my friends took a picture, and they were all around me with that one hand on my belly. On you. When I was pregnant with you. Yep.
I'm wondering how many people touched me before I could remember.
Girl, people were always rubbing on my belly when I was pregnant with you. Even people I didn't know. They'd come up to you like, do you mind if I touch your belly? Can I touch your belly?
I don't want to touch it.
Why? But yeah, I was nice though. I know one of my friends was like, don't be letting strangers touch on her, touch your belly. That's our baby. She sure did. She was like, don't be letting her touch your belly. He was like, somebody don't need to know them.
I can just guess who that was.
You might be wrong. Her kid goes to the Boys and Girls Club. That's who it was. That's who you thought it was? Oh. Last page. I'm full.
Y'all, I'm done. I'm tapped out.
You did not even finish that piece. You might as well save that for later. Because knowing her, she would have threw it in the trash. She would have. Whole half a wing.
Not 8 no, we had the top part of that whole cash out like I
Knowing she's going to be ready to snack again in an hour.
That's
just how kids are. You know? They hungry every hour on the hour.
I'm a growing child. I need my food. I need my snacks. You know, that's how it goes.
Alright, well, I knew this was going to be a quick video. Just, you know, chicken and wings. I mean, how long can it be?
You need chicken and fries.
Chicken and fries. I mean, how long can that be? That's funny. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you watched this video to the end. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we will see you next time. Peace.